Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today I am going to introduce you to a new website known as Phrase Teacher. Phrase Teacher. Phrase Teacher is actually a website for teachers. Teachers can use this website and recommend their students. Anyhow, students can directly visit this website. So first of all, I am recording this lecture on my smartphone. So the interface on smartphone is different from the laptop or desktop computer. I don't know how it will look like when you operate it from a desktop computer or laptop. But right now I am recording this lecture on my smart screen. So see, this is the browser I use, that is Google Chrome. This is my default browser. So click on it and see, you are led to Google. Okay, here is Google search bar. Google is general purpose search engine. Okay, in this search engine here please type phraseteacher.com. okay, phrase teacher. When you type, Google automatically prompts you because it is the topmost website in the search bar. So click here, you have to click here. Okay, and after some time you will be here. This is the hyperlink, or you can say phraseteacher.com, the complete URL. Okay, now click on it. Now here you are on the front page of the website. Scroll up and you can see the entries. Okay, let me maximize for you. So first entry has been given for greetings, second is for parting, when you part with people, and there are so many entries as you can see here, asking how somebody is. Okay, starting and ending conversation. Okay, directing a conversation, as you can see here. Under each main heading there are a lot of subheadings, as you can see. Positive attitude in a conversation. So let's start with this parting. Okay, so under parting, heading of the parting, we have 7 entries. Okay, I'm going to click on each one one by one. Let's say when you are about to take leave of a person. Let's say I'm going to type this one: when you are about to take leave of some person. Okay, click here, and these are the entries listed. Okay, let me maximize it for you. So after you have been talking to someone and you now wanna take leave, so you will say, it was good to see you. Okay, it was nice to see you. Nice to see you. I hope to see you again sometime. It has been good talking to you. Usually this is a phrase we often use. It has been good talking to you. It has been good to talk to you. It has been nice talking to you. Nice talking to you. Take care of yourself. All the best to you. All the etc. And when you click on individual sounds, like here is a button for special persons, or even for students who want to improve listening skill, so they can click on it. Okay, see.
It was good to see you.
Now next.
It was nice to see you.
Next.
Nice to see you.
And if you want all the entries given here to be pronounced continuously, so you can click here, listen to entire passage. Okay, now let me select some easy one. Let me select. Okay, so see quickly, when you bid farewell to a person. Okay, so 2.1. so these are I'm going to click here. Let's say entire passage. Okay, entire passage, this one I'm going to click here. Now see.
Goodbye. Bye. Bye bye.
This one.
Goodbye until later. Goodbye until next time. Goodbye for now.
So it is it automatically pronounces.
I'll talk to you soon.
Sorry.
I'll be seeing you. See you. See you around. See you later.
Okay, if you
See you soon.
want to
See you real soon.
if you want to see it on YouTube,
See you in a little while.
so you will click on this one.
See you next time.
Okay, I'm going to watch the slideshow.
See you tomorrow.
So now we are connected to YouTube.
See you then. so long.
as you can see. Now we are on
Everyday
YouTube.
conversational expressions. 13.
2, 1,
When you bid farewell to a person. Goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye until later. I'll talk to you soon. I'll be seeing you. See you. In a little while. See you next time. See you tomorrow. See you then.
Okay, so now I'm going to take you back. You can click on this button. You can go to the bottom of your screen and click on the back button. Okay, so we are getting back to the website. So see, we are now on the website. If you want to select any other category, you can select, uh, let's say we are going to okay, when you want to sound believable. Okay, let's click on this one and see what are the phrases. Okay, that's the truth. See, that's the truth. That's the gospel truth. That's the honest truth. That's the honest to goodness, like this. So I swear to you, I swear on my mother's grave. So some of these entries are very frozen style, some are very informal, and mostly they gave us formal phrases. Okay, so after you have listened to some when you have listened to some greeting section or parting section, let's say parting section, you can have let's say an option to print it out. Okay, let's say I'm going to click here. So see, have a good trip. If someone is parting from you and you say you wish for him or her to have a good journey, so you can say have a nice trip, have a safe trip, have a safe journey, have a nice flight, and then I'll miss you. And this is French phrase. This is
Bon voyage.
yes, see,
Bon voyage.
bon voyage. Okay, now here are the options. As you can see here, you can go next section, previous section, and you can also print it. Okay, now I'm going to print it. When you click on print, so there are different paper sizes. Okay, I'm going to select the legal page. Let's say legal, the biggest page. Now paper sizes have been selected. Now click on save as PDF. Okay, when you click on save as PDF, so this dialog box pops up. Now click on this one, save as PDF. Sorry, it will be saved. So now you can even click here to save it, so it will be automatically saved. Now where it has gone into your download folders. Okay, this is your download folders. Okay, now save. Let me take you to the folder. So here is the button. I'm going to take you to my folder. So files. Okay, here. Now this is my download folder. This one, documents, and even you can come here, downloads and favorites. Let me check whether we have it here or not. Download file, yes, as you can see here, parting. When I click, it is a now PDF file. So PDF will come up, and we can now print it, or we can send it to we can share it with let's say if I want to share it to my WhatsApp group. Okay, so what I am going to do, I'll share it from this, and I'm going to send this file, let's say WhatsApp group. So I have a WhatsApp group. So here I have Phonology GDC Avelia official. Let's say I am going to click here, then here is the button, as you can see, click on it. So now it will be shared in the group, as you can see here. students will definitely find it and read it. Thank you very much. Now let me take you back to the screen. Here is the back button, so you can go back to the screen. Okay, so hope you have got an idea how to use this very important website. So let me close all the windows so that I can take you back to the Chrome, sorry, my actual website. So here I think we are back. So hope you now know how to get to this website. So there are many benefits for students because we have ready-made phrases ready-made, and then pronunciation option is also there. Some of the videos are connected to sorry, YouTube as well. Okay, so how you, let me quickly explain how you can get to it. So here is the back button. So let me take you to the back. Okay, here. So if we can we are now again in the Google search bar. So here you are going to type phraseteacher.com. okay, phraseteacher.com, and you will be led to the website. Thank you very much for listening to this, and please share it with your friend so that everybody can enjoy this very important website. Thank you very much.